Hey friends, in this video I'll be going over a quick and easy guide to checking into your United Airlines flight. First off, we want to download the United Airlines app, and simply do this by going to the Google Play Store or the app. Once the app is downloaded, you simply tap on it and you'll be redirected to their sign-in page. Now if you have an account, log in, or if you want to just continue as guest, you can press on that as well. But if you want to create a Mileage Plus account, simply click on the link on the very bottom, and it'll redirect you to the following page, where then you'll have to input all your personal information. Upon pressing continue, you'll be redirected to the following page, where United will give them their promotion offers. Now you could unselect these and then scroll down and then type in your password of your choice. Now make sure you enter the password correctly and then scroll down to create security questions and answers. There's going to be 5 of them, and once you complete it, you simply click on the blue button below. Now you'll be redirected to their home page, where you'll be able to check in, add a trip, and even select your Wi-Fi preferences. Now you simply click on check-in, and then you have to enter your trip details. You need to know your confirmation or ticket number and your last name, and then click on continue. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe.